Hey guys, what's going on? Tour Cruise here, checking in Nagoya, Japan. We're at KAMIHAGI Cycles, which is a pretty popular bicycle chain store here in the Nagoya area in Japan. And this is their brand new branch here at Meijo Park. So Meijo Park is a beautiful park right next to the Nagoya Castle area. And there's a beautiful cycling course here as well. We're gonna be checking that out today. But in this video, we're gonna be checking out their brand new store here, which is a specialized concept store. And they've got a bunch of really cool, really expensive bikes in here. And I wanted to show you guys this place. So let's go on and check it out. We're here with Thuong and we're gonna check out the store together. We've got some nice bikes right away, S-Works, Venge. And on the outside here, we've got some bicycle parking. So we actually came by our bikes today. I'm on my Specialized aluminum road bike, and there's a nice fat bike here as well. Pretty interesting range. And let's go on, check out the inside of the store. These are the nice touch door openers here. So not too large of a store here, but beautiful display, really well organized. And right away, one of the things I wanted to show you guys is they have this nice, cool Nagoya jersey here, the KAMIHAGI Cycle Nagoya theme. Let's start right from the right here. So these are actually what's called shijosha. So shijosha means test bike. And one of the cool features about this bike shop here is they have a cycling course right next here. So you can demo any of these bikes here. They've got some of their cross bikes here, some of their road bikes, and they've also got a bunch of S-Works demo bikes as well. And you'll notice all of these are disc brakes. So I talked to them and they're like, yeah, it's disc brake season. Disc brake fever has finally come to Japan. So all of the demo bikes here, disc bikes. And Specialized is just a really well done overall brand. They've got all their own different components. So we've got some Specialized saddles here, some Specialized shoes, whole bunch of variety of different kinds of shoes. We got some of the, is this the BOA twist system? And we've got some regular lace. And even some of the high-end shoes are going lace now. So that's one of the more popular trends lately. And Specialized helmets as well. This is a cool machine I noticed over here. I think this is to measure your saddle width. And let's take a look. And this is a pretty interesting bike here too. It's got a nice front cargo rack here. And I'm not too familiar with the full range of the Specialized bikes. Like I know, of course, their main road bikes. I know their main triathlon bikes, but I don't know the other things like this. This is pretty cool though. Nice fun city bike. What is this called? The Roll Elite. So about 87,000 yen, about $800. And right away, right in the center of the shop, you'll notice this beautiful S-Works Specialized triathlon bike. This is the Shiv Disc Di2, their top level triathlon bike. And this is the first time I'm actually seeing this in person, and it's really cool. You'll notice this piece at the end and wonder what that is. That's actually part of the aero design, but it's also a water container. So you can put your water in there, and then it has the tube which runs up to here. So really well thought out design. And just, yeah, this color really stands out. I think Thuong really likes this color. Ne, kono iro suki da ne. Kimi no design. Sasuga kimi takai jitensha ga suki da na. And this also comes with a power meter and Dura-Ace Di2, just beautiful bike. And they told me this part also opens up as well, so you can put other things and store them in here, like your tubes and stuff. So you don't really have to have any accessories hanging off outside of the bike. Really cool. こういう TT のバイクまだ乗ったことないな。ないですね。乗ったら速くなるよ。Over here we got some snacks. Let's see what some of the popular foods are here in Japan. So this is something I really like. Ryokan is kind of like a Japanese sweet. And usually it's with red bean, but these are some different flavors here. So we've got, what is this? This is matcha, so a green tea flavor. And this one is chocolate. So they have different flavored ryokan. So it's kind of like a jelly, kind of gummy kind of flavor. And some other gels here. And some little cookies, some chocolate and cheesecake and fruit cookies and some protein. Moving over here to the other part of the shop. We got some parts on display. We've got some Garmin computers, Ultegra parts, Dura-Ace parts, Shimano parts. So moving along, we've got a whole row here of different road bikes. And I noticed some rim bikes, so we do still have some rim bikes here. This is an Alley Elite. So actually the road bike that I'm using, that I rode here, is an old Alley aluminum. So this is the newer version of the bike that I'm running. So these are the few remaining rim brake bikes. And the price point is definitely a lot cheaper on the rim brake bikes compared to the disc brake bikes. So the disc bikes are going up a little bit in price, but you can see there's some decently priced models here. So 99,000 yen, not too bad for a decent road bike. And this is stocked with some Shimano Sora. They've got a winter sale going on right now. So some of these bikes will be a little bit on discount, but you'll notice all the main bikes here are disc. They've got the similar pink yellow gradient fork design going on here, like on the triathlon bike. So Specialized likes to go pretty flashy with their colors. And this is the disc version of the Ale. So again, the price goes up a little bit, but the components go up as well. This is Shimano 105. And they've got some really cool paint designs as well. This is kind of like a cosmic, it reminds me of kind of like my old bowling balls. Actually, I don't think I've really talked about this on the channel, but I grew up in a bowling environment, so I always had my own bowling ball, and this kind of reminds me of those colors, but I really like this kind of paint. I hope it shows up on the GoPro, but definitely significant increase in price with these. Moving along here, let's see what else we got. The other good thing about Specialized is they have a full range of adult bikes as well as kid bikes. So you see they've got the medium-sized mountain bikes for kids here and gradually increase in size. And then also the really small little kind of strider bikes here as well. And you see these all over in Japan. These are really popular here. In addition, we've also got some parts and wheels here. So you can see we've got some of the Specialized tires here and some of the wheels here as well. Other accessories, grips, and some bar wrap, Specialized pumps. They really have the full range of accessories, different things that you can get. This is a custom bottle that they have here for the Nagoya branch. This is the kind of, I forget the name of this. I think it's called Shachihoko or something like that. It's kind of like a fish gold dolphin thing that's on the top of Nagoya Castle. So really cool, nice, unique Nagoya style art here. Love these. And these are about 2,000 yen, so nice Christmas present. And let's move on to the last section of the shop. This is a pretty cool design on this bike here as well. Looks like this one's sold already though. The last part here is the mountain bike part, which is really nice to see because most shops in Japan don't really stock too many mountain bikes, but they stock them here, and this is in the middle of the city, which is really cool. Here's the other jersey as well. So these are the same design as on the bottles. This is the Nagoya Castle, and you can see we've got Nagoya. This is the kanji for Nagoya, and Specialized concept store. And I really like this design as well. This has the fish here, the Shachihoko. I also like this kind of like round kind of pattern. We have this on our two-wheel cruise jerseys as well in a different kind of format, but I really like that. And oh cool, it goes here down on the legs as well with the Specialized logo. Let's take a look at the back. They only show the tail of the fish. They don't show the head anywhere. At least I don't see it anywhere, but still pretty cool back. 74, I wonder what that's for. And Specialized, of course, has the range of different jerseys that you can get as well. So, oh wow, this one's pretty flashy. Work and play. Oh, Specialized Japan. This is a Japan. Oh, that's cool. This is a Japan jersey. かっこいいね。これジャパンのジャージだよ。書いてある Japan. This might be a Japan only kind of item, so if you're looking for some unique cool jerseys, you can come check this place out. Like I said, right next to the Nagoya Castle. これも東京. So this is also, it looks like a Japan only edition. Tokyo. That's pretty cool.
全部好きな色だ。
君晴れのデザイン好きだね。晴れの女。And we've got our gloves over here. Right now it's winter season, so we've got all of our winter gloves. So Thuong-chan's wearing tights today. She doesn't actually have any leg warmers, but leg warmers are a pretty nice accessory. And really popular bags for commuting and for bike riders in Japan is these waterproof bags. Ortliebs are really popular, but we get a lot of rain here in Japan, so it's important to get a waterproof bag. And last section here. So we've got the Specialized S-Works Venge that you saw from the outside on display here. How much is this? So 120 man. So 125 man. So pretty expensive bike. We're getting on the top range of things here. And this is a Diverge Expert. So this looks like a cyclocross bike, but maybe a gravel bike. It's hard to tell the difference sometimes. And oh, this is a nice deep red here. Venge disc frame set. And we've also got a couple more mountain bikes on display here. So a lot of single up front, but also this one is a double up front. I personally prefer a double up front. And this one's pretty nice. This is another thing I really like about the Specialized mountain bikes is they come at a decent price range. So this is only about 59,000 yen. So about $500, about $550 for a decent entry-level mountain bike. And I'd really like to see more people on mountain bikes here in Japan. So it's nice that they provide it at a decent price point. Here's a nice red Epic hardtail carbon 29er. And this is pretty decent price for a hardtail carbon 29er, 2200. That's not bad at all. And you can never go wrong with a red bike. We've also got one last bike here. So this is a gravel bike packing setup. Hopefully, Thuong-chan and I are going to do some more bike packing adventures soon. Ne, mata nagai bike packing no ryoko shitai ne.
そうですね。
We've got one of these back saddle bags, and it'd be nice to get one of these middle frame bags. These look really convenient. I've never used any of these front fork bags, but these look pretty interesting. 面白いね。
これ初めて。
初めて見た？
こうだいたい今ねこういう風ここの前の。
でもこれまだ見たことない。
そうこれ見たことないね。面白い。できるんだよ。
いろんなもの運べる。
すごいこれ娘ちゃん。
娘ちゃんの自転車。
そう娘の自転車。
誰の娘？ないよ。
私たちの。
いつ？
待ってる。可愛いピンク。
Alright guys, that's going to conclude our tour of the bike shop. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you saw anything that you thought was interesting, let us know down below in the comments. If you have any questions, also let us know. We're going to continue on and make another video today about the cycling course at the park here, nearby here. So if you're interested, be sure to subscribe and check out our next video. Thuong-chanの一番好きな自転車は何だった？
なんていうか高いやつ。
どっち？TT。
TT バイク。
TT バイク一番好き。なぜ？一番高いから？
違いますね。かっこいいから。早く走れる。いや、それ乗ったらプロ見える。旅プロ。
じゃあ見た目がかっこよくなるから。
そうです。
Alright, that's it for today, guys. Be sure to subscribe and check out our next video on the cycling course here, and we'll see you next time. じゃあね。